Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the tripod and mounting the equatorial head. Tighten legs and level it. Next, point the polar axis toward true north using a compass corrected for declination. This maximizes tracking accuracy. Install the counterweights and mount the optical tube, then balance first in right ascension, then in declination. This reduces strain on the drive. Once done, lock the clutches loosely so the mount still moves smoothly for fine polar alignment. Now you refine alignment. Use the polar scope reticle or a drift-align procedure to center the celestial pole. This step is crucial for long exposures. After polar alignment, perform a star alignment routine with 2 or 3 well-spaced bright stars to sync the mount's coordinates. This improves pointing. If you plan astrophotography, set tracking to sidereal, enable periodic error correction, and calibrate your autoguider. These steps ensure accurate, steady tracking with calibration complete. Slew to your target using the hand controller or manual slow motion controls and center it in the eyepiece or frame. Start tracking at sidereal rate and watch guiding corrections. Make small balance tweaks if you see drift. For imaging, begin exposures and confirm stars remain round. If things go wrong, stop and recheck balance, polar alignment, loose cables, and clutch tension. Those 4 fixes solve most tracking errors. Make incremental adjustments, then resume imaging once corrected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.